Today, we are surrounded by countryside in the ever popular Western Zoyland. With 4 generous bedrooms, multiple reception rooms and characterful features throughout, this property has been modernised in all the right places. It's my absolute pleasure to introduce Moorlands Farm. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this absolutely stunning property. If you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.